In our last tutorial, we worked on navigation, list and detail screen. So now our detail screen is static. So now we will work on making it dynamic. So on the selection of the particular city, the data in the detail screen would be loaded according to that city. So let's update accordingly. So first of all, we need an image that would be passed from that model. So we will declare image over here and like this. So we need to update this image variable to the image declared on top, and now it would ask for the image. So let's pass this image and remove this. So similarly, the map, we have to provide coordinate as soon as we update the city. So we have to change. So instead of static coordinate, so let's update coordinate over here. So we have these CL location coordinates. So we have to update these coordinates and pass it a variable which we will pass later on detail screen. Now we have these details. Also for the map for this initial position. So for now we will use a const binding here because map view doesn't need to detect when someone changes the position by interacting with map. So instead of this, we have to update it with the position, and that position would be like this, and we have region and then map region. So our two views are updated. So let's update the detail screen. So see, in the map we have updated the coordinate parameter, so it is asking for the coordinate. So we have update coordinate, and then we can or we will declare a variable over here city, which would be a city data, cities data. And now what we will do is city dot location coordinate, and image would be city dot image. So like this, and we will update over here. So here we have cities array. So we will pass first index. So it would load the first index from this array. Also what we can do is, so text over here city dot name and city dot category and city dot country. So now if you build, so it would still give one error, I think, because we are not passing city over here. So we have a row, so we will pass the same variable on the navigation link. So it would be city and city over here. So now it's done. So when we click on here, see, we have static coordinate, we have image, we have name, and also we can update when we select another city, it would update accordingly. So and same for this, so it is updating as per the selection. Thanks. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel for more videos on SwiftUI and skilled learning.